Okay, so I'm going to show you how I string my bolo ties using my bolo and my tie. So this is a hand painted, reverse painted with vitreous enamel, and then I flame work a big hole bead that I've made onto the back of it. So this is a paracord, which is the bolo tie, which is the tie of the bolo tie. This is the bolo part. And you may be wondering, how do you get this into this hole, right? It's pretty flexible. You could try squeezing it and twisting it and pushing it in, and you only get about halfway through and then it gets stuck. So what I do is I get a 26 gauge wire, and this wire is parawire. It's great, it's really strong, and 26 gauge is super thin, which is perfect for what I'm needing here. So I'm just cutting about, what's that, about 6 inches, and I'm going to bend this in half. Then I'm going to string the paracord onto the parawire. Yep, I'm going to string the paracord onto the parawire, and then I'm going to bend this down a little bit so it's easier to go through the hole. String it through the hole. String the wire nicely through the hole. Hold on to the wire, and if it feels too hard to pull it, then you could just take a pair of needle nose pliers and wrap it around so the needle nose pliers is holding on to it. Then you can just like pull, and if it's tight, just kind of work it until it comes through the hole. Really nice and easy. This guy here you want to save, or if you have a bunch of the 26 gauge, great. You'll want to save this and use it for all of your other parts, because you know you can stack your beads. You can change them out. So I'm going to stack one. I'm going to show you that again. So I have a whole bunch of different ones here. I think I'm going to stack it with that guy. If you want to stack things, which is really a lot of fun, just bring this up. I'm picking up that green color into this green color. So again, you just want to stick it through the big hole bead. And this one's a little bit tighter, so I'm pulling a little bit harder. And there you go. And it's really a lot of fun to stack a bunch of them together to make really interesting your own style of bolo tie. So remember, you need 26 gauge wire, the bolo cord, the paracord, and some bolo bits. Okay, bye.